Let me show you how we can restore backup data from your USB flash drive on Samsung Galaxy S25. So first of all, go to Settings, scroll down until you find Accounts and Backup, and then choose it. And then choose External Storage Transfer. If you have created the backup by using the same USB flash drive, then you should be able to restore. So let's select the storage that you want to restore, the backup. Then you can select what you want to restore. You can choose to restore everything, just calls, contacts, and messages, or you can choose custom. I'm gonna select everything in this case, press next, and now we need to wait until the backup is restored. This might take you even like half an hour, depending on the size of the backup and what you are restoring, obviously. So the more you try to restore, the longer it will take. But we should be able to quickly restore it. And there we go. Now we can disconnect our... oh, okay, never mind. So the message is gone. We have data restore results, and we can press next and then done. And now we can safely remove our flash drive. Ideally, you want to do this through the notification, so just unmount it. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.